Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing window regulator on a 2005 Jeep Liberty. Alright, first thing we're going to do is use a small flathead, pop this little screw cover off behind the handle. We'll take that Phillips screw out. There. There's a screw inside the door pull. Where'd that plastic thing go? Oh. Alright, we're going to pop this door panel off. So if you look down here, there's just over here. You show that little notch. There's like a notch right there. Stick this up in there. See if we can get that first one popped loose. It's a bigger dog. There you go. Pop these loose all the way around. There should be one more up here. There it goes. That sounded a little crunchy. Okay, those are all loose. We should be able to lift this off. Shoot. There it goes. Alright, you show back here. Connector for the window switch. Little push tab on it, pop it loose. Right here. That one. This pull rod here, you just gotta push this plastic guy. I see nothing but hand there. Push that thing to the left, pulls that out, and that's free. Get that out of the way. Pull the speaker out. Just 3 Phillips screws. Disconnect the wires. Set that aside. We're going to pull off this rain guard without hopefully tearing it to bits. These like to rip. Where's my knife? Just going to cut that goo as you go along. Makes it a lot easier. tell this one's never been off. Extra sticky. Set that somewhere you're not going to step on it. Stuck to your foot. Okay. Those window regulators held in with 2 bolts here. One up here. Then the motor's got 3 bolts over here. And there's a little plastic clip here that helps hold it together. We should be able to pop that guy out pretty easily. Pull that out and grab my wrench. That's 10 millimeter. Motor's loose. Try and drop it down and pull the power cord out of it. Now, I can't get low enough for you to see what's going on, so let's pop this first. Well, before I do that, we need to lower the window. We got the window taped up because it was falling down. We're gonna need more tape. We're gonna have to tape this back up out of the way once we get it loose. So right here's the bottom of the regulator. We got these 2 little clips here on the side. We'll pull those out. And then this window should, those 2 little pins are the only thing that hold it in there. So we'll pull it back up, we'll tape it up here. Should be alright, ain't going anywhere. Alright. Now we can pull these bolts for the rest of the regulator. Now, let's see if we can get this motor electrical connector. I don't know if you can see underneath here. Let's show this clip, this metal clip on here. You can see it? Red clip, not metal clip. You push that clip, then the button, and pull. Now we try to get all this out of here. Might be easier said than done. We'll see how this goes. Okay. Came with a couple screws down here, but not up here. So we'll be able to reuse what we got. Loosen those. Couple new clips are here. See how this one has the 2. This one's got the one just loose. This should have been still connected. That's why we had so much issue. So it went one way, not the other. Alright, let's see what we can do. This one in. Three. This one has a different style plug on it, really easy to get to. Connect it, lock it, stuff it in the door. Alright, everything's here. Let's tighten it up. There's the wrench. I'm going to replace these with the other bolts. They have a bigger flange on them. Have to couldn't hook the window back up because this one is all the way up. We're gonna have to lower the window or lower the use the motor to lower it. I don't want to do that before I get anything too tight because it looks off. We have access. Lower our window back down into there. So those two pins gotta go in these holes. Them apples. That's in. Put the pins in. Tried to put it in the wrong spot. Behind all that, yeah. The other one is behind everything. Alright, let's check this guy while let's just tighten it up first. And ends tight. Let's test it before we put the door panel on. Slow. Oh, noisy.
supposed to sound like that.
Screws. Pushing. You get that? Looks like the screw's pushing on the one spring pulley. Weird. We got the small one here. We can get it. Too zany. A little slow down there.
Uh-oh.
Maybe it was to pop that track. Feels like it's in track. Oh, this pin missed.
Ooh.
So it's not tracking straight. Pull that guy out of there. Make sure we get it this time. It's in there now. Let's see what. Still a little slow at the bottom, but it doesn't go all the way in though. Did it always do that? I don't even know if it ever did or if it's child thing. Well, it's not. It's fucking hitting it. Give me more screws. They should have gave us more screws. It's hitting that long screw.
Oh.
Gee, so much for straightforward. Little baby screw.
Yeah.
Might still hit the other one, I don't know. It's definitely hitting this one. Yep. Well, we're gonna have to find a screw. If it's the washer might be too small. Let's see. That's got it. All right, all the way down.
Yeah. So very.
It's a little sluggish headed up, but put this thing back on the range shield. Make sure you put your wire and cord through there. You're gonna be taking it back off again. Nice convenient holes to line it up.
Just stick back on.
Yeah. Yeah, that stuff is really sticky. That tar stays sticky forever. Think in this hole? Yes. Okay, speaker back in. Wherever I put it. Plug it in. Whichever way it goes, that way. There's the wrong screw. The shorter screws are for the speakers. I grabbed the long screw that was in the door handle. Door. Oh, I put that on. That bag goes through here.
Oh, that's not hard.
Hmm?
That's not hard.
Mm-hmm.
Just peel it off.
Working on it.
Just that one goes through there.
Yeah. This one goes through here. Stick all that bag on. Alright, we're ready for the door panel. Grab the door panel. I'm going to put on the clips that we knocked off. Check them all, make sure none of them are broke. These all look good. Just snap those two back on. We need to hook your rod up. So it just goes inside of there. This box on. Plug your lock power back in. So then we gotta go up over the lock. That should be it. Locks, unlocks. Window goes down, window go up. Speaker works. Don't forget to put the screws back in the door handle. And behind the handle. Plastic cover back on the floor. That's it. Now it's a done deal.